Thank you. Many years from now, there will be a time when I'm old and look back at the best moments in my life. I've done my fair share of travel and God knows I'm fond of exotic beaches and bears. Nice. But all the bears and exotic beaches won't be what I'll be remembering. Mount Rinjani will. This is the story of how I tried to summit Indonesia's second highest volcano with a fantastic group of people on a 3-day climb. And if you're wondering how hard it could be, trust me, it's hard. It's very hard. Shit, this is hard. So it's Friday and you're probably thinking I'm out drinking, but not today, because today we're climbing the second highest volcano in all of Indonesia, 3,700 meters, and this is gonna be a challenge. Medical check. Okay.
Have you had coffee or tea?
Sorry?
Have you had coffee or tea?
Coffee, yes.
Okay. But this high.
We just done a medical check. I had a little bit of high blood pressure, but it's probably because of the coffee, I hope. A couple of hours ago, I arrived in the scenario tomorrow. Ah, shit. Ah, fuck. Oof. Yeah, I'm getting ants are crawling all over me. Damn it. Damn ants. Doing some packing, some warm clothing, trekking pants, change of socks and underwear, swim shorts, sun cream, toilet paper, water, my phone, my camera. And that's it, I think. Good night. At the starting point. So everyone that I ever seen or read about that's done this trek says it's very, very hard. It is gonna be a real challenge. I do hope I'm able to make it to the summit. I need to film as much as possible now.
Get it all in.
Yeah, while I still have energy.
Yeah, you can film me huffing and puffing all you want.
And that's the group. 10 minutes into the climb, and it's already hard. It's very dusty, and yeah, I'm already pretty dirty, but I like it. Summit, and over there on that ridge, we're gonna camp tonight. This is our first camp.
I do like it, I love it.
Porters, the real heroes of these mountains. We're coming to a stop. Thank you. First break, I think we're having lunch here. Thank God, because I really need a longer break. Been a very hard first stage, but still manageable.
Wait, what?
Okay, so now we're okay with being in a YouTube video?
Yeah, alright, I think so.
My group, another group, so it's pretty crowded. I wasn't expecting it to be anything less. So that first stop wasn't actually lunch. That was just camp 1. Now we're coming in to camp 2, and I think it's gonna be lunch this time.
Okay, Ale. Is it the beer in my backpack?
We're getting higher and higher, but it's also getting steeper and steeper. Still going good though. Okay. Oh, lava stone. That one?
Yes, that one.
That is sweat, and that is dirt. Made it to post 3, I hope the fourth one is on the rim, on the crater rim where we're sleeping, but not sure. It's gonna get very steep right now. Oh, I really hope that is the top. Whew. I need it to be.
3, 2, 1, woo!
Yeah. I'm at the next post, but it wasn't the post I was hoping for. In fact, it's being told it's quite long walk left. Several hours, 2-3 hours, maybe more. Monkeys running wild there. That's kind of cool. There's a lot of trash though. It's not as ill as I expected, but still. We're gonna make it, but this final stage has been so fucking hard. Oh my god, my legs are just shattered. Oh. Whew. Yes. This is our camp. Oh. We arrived at the ridge. Actually one of the hardest climbs or hardest hikes or whatever you want to call it that I ever done.
Yeah, very happy. Tired but happy.
Yeah, me too. Very simple. So I am a bit excited because my legs have been really, really done. So yeah, excited to see whether I'm gonna make it to the summit. But I hope so. I'm gonna give it my best.
Ja, ik doe het weer naar bed.
Nice. This is the ridge. And I do think we're gonna have a sunset over there if the weather clears up. This is the kitchen.
Yeah.
Just now the fog is lifting. You can finally see the summit. And just as I put the camera away, the fog lifted in the other direction as well. Yeah, watching this. And the people enjoying themselves. With the view. I never ever went to bed as dirty as this before, but I am tonight because we're waking up at 1:30 and 2 o'clock in the night we're off for our summit push. Yeah, you heard me right. It's a summit push. I just called it that. This was the place for a brutal scene last night when I took a shower in the cold water, ice cold water. I just hate showering in cold water. It's like the worst thing. You should have seen me though. I was like, yeah, screaming like a girl. Morning! Come inside! No problem. Time to go. Good morning. Pretty chilly up here in the mountains at night. Probably going to be even colder as we get higher up.
Everyone is here.
No. Down now. So part 1 is down. Now we're going to go a little flat and then we're going steep again. Thanks for listening to my vlog.
Yeah, it's much better you do this, yeah? Much better English. I'm not able to film as much on this stage because I'm just too tired. I need my energy for climbing. It's getting more and more windy and colder as we're moving upwards. Approximately 30 minutes from the summit, but I'm so tired now. My legs are so... oh, yeah. Shit, this is hard. Sun is coming up. It's beautiful. The summit, it's so close. Just one last push. I almost can't believe this, but I'm almost at the summit. Oh, yes. Thank you.
Down what's up again?
Cookies from to energy.
Thank you. What a feeling, huh? So we made it to the summit and that was easy.
Oh,
Yeah.
piece of cake.
To be honest, this has been one of the hardest treks, climbs of my life. Didn't really think I was gonna make it to the top, but I didn't give up and here I am.
Just for a second.
Kind of proud of myself. It's a bit crowded there, but nevertheless it doesn't take away from the views and the experience of seeing this. Heading back down because it's very cold at the summit. Going all the way back down there. We're gonna go back over that rim and down on the other side again to get to camp. Nice. Even a monkey here. And we're back in camp. Made it. Although it's not the end of the day though. There's actually more to see on this hike. Stay tuned.
Oh, this way? Optimus? What is that? Back up the mountain!
Leaving camp again. Earlier today we had a 3-hour hike up to the summit, 2-hour hike down. It's approximately 5 hours of hiking. And now it's another 3 hours down to the first stop. But that's gonna be a cool place. I'm gonna show you the lake we're going to. Already went a long way down, but still much to go. Once again, so tired, but we're finally here. Gonna be bathing in a hot spring. Perfect. I just had lunch at this volcanic lake. We're actually inside the volcano. Pretty cool. However, now we're hiking back up to another camp. Not gonna film much of this, so see you at the top or not. And once again, actually made it back to camp. Been hiking for 3 hours down, and then it's been 3 hours up as well. Oh boy. Yeah. Woo! Made it. It's not the same camp we had yesterday. It's a new camp on a different location on the ridge. And tomorrow we're going hiking down back from the mountain. On a short note though, it has been an amazing experience. I went for the 3 days and 2 nights option. Can absolutely recommend it, but if you're as badly trained as I am, you might want to consider other options like the 4 days, 3 nights, or the 2 days, 1 night option. I done this trip with a company called Team Backpacker. Very happy with them. I went for the group tour option, which I highly recommend if you're traveling solo. It's a great way to meet up and connect with other fellow travelers. I actually think I'm gonna end the video here. I think I'm saying good night and see you in the next one.